This is not your typical aquatic scents out there. This is something will blow your mind. What is up, guys? This is your boy Armin and welcome back again dito sa channel ko, which is Amoy Piranyan. For today's episode, we're going to give a big spotlight, especially it's an artisan brand from US, and this is none other than Clandestine Laboratories. Okay? So actually, I've discovered this brand from a good friend, si Daniel. Okay? Shout out kay Daniel. The perfumer and the owner behind of this scent is none other than Mr. Mark Sage. Okay? He is a very humble person. Napakabait nitong taong na to. Napaka-creative niya. Anything he puts out there, talagang pinag-iisipan niya. Hindi niya basta-basta nire-release agad tong perfume na to. He takes his time, he has patience, and put it out there, the good perfume. If it's not a good perfume, he won't even release it. So we're going to talk about a scent that I really love.
Ha?
Dumating sa point na hindi na ako nakaabot at hindi ako nakabili ng itong pabango na to. Actually, this was released only for a limited batch lang, and he doesn't have the intention to put it out there na for a long run itong pabango na to. Dumating sa point na so many people got in love with this scent and so many people appreciate this one and prefer pa nila rather than mga ibang aquatic scents out there. This is none other than Pool Boy by Clandestine Laboratories. Let's talk about the scent profile of this one. The scent profile of this one, you try to imagine, try to picture yourself, you are a pool boy, or let's say you are a pool guy, or let's say pag nagsuswimming kayo, di ba? There's always a pool guy or a pool boy na taking care for the all swimmers out there na nagsuswimming. Okay? Siya yung parang naka-ready na yung net, naka-sando lang, naka-sombrero, naka-sunglass, tapos naka-chino shorts lang, naka-chinelas lang. And you're just beside that guy and enjoying your summer vacation. Tahimik lang. Some other places, some other around there is just parang maingay lang. Ito yung klaseng scent na you want to feel very refreshing. There are notes that you can smell in here like parang umiinom ka ng parang guava, lemony iced tea with a twist of cucumbery touch. It's kind of giving you that parang salty aquatic feel. It will give you that parang refreshing sourness ng guava, lemon iced tea, tapos you can feel in here the animalic musk. Maamoy mo talaga yun dito yung parang natamaan ng araw yung katawan mo habang kakatapos mo lang mag-swimming. Tapos medyo yung parang amoy pawis ka, mabangong pawis. That's what you're going to experience on this composition ng Pool Boy. Ito yung klaseng pabango na pinag-iisipan, pinaghirapan, try and error. Doesn't matter kahit 1 year or after 2 years pa nila i-release itong pabango na to. Basta, with the full-heartedly, full of passion, ilabas mo yung pabango for sure na kutob mo na talagang puputok to at magugustuhan lahat. And you have zero expectations. Ito yung pabango na marerecommend ko sa inyo to worth checking out. Okay? Itong Pool Boy by Clandestine Laboratories. Ito yung something outside the box that you never smelled it before. Kung ano nilagay niyang picture, kung ano yung nasa image niya, ganon din yung tina-translate niya dito sa pabangong Pool Boy. Okay? For me, this is a solid 10 out of 10. Something long-lasting fresh summer fragrance. Maski pinagpawisan ka pa na sa labas, talagang pumapalag. But not for everyone, itong pabango na to. Kailangan mo muna sampulin at kung nagustuhan mo, then you go buy yourself a bottle. August pa ang restock nitong pabango na to, and I'll just put it here. Pa-flash ko dito yung website nila para you can check out other fragrances na available. Limited batch lang ang ginagawa ni Mr. Mark Sage. Don't forget to check this one out. This is really worth checking out. Let me know in the comment section kung anong mga unique niche summer fragrance nyo, or let's say artisan brand that you have in your collection that no one even knows about it.